Friends, this is the circuit of decoder using IC 7447, and we use this circuit in our 12th electronics practical session. Now, to understand the working of this circuit, you will have to refer our practical booklet. It is available for free download on our website vsagar.org. Now, the circuit is given here on page number 17. This is the circuit of decoder. This IC 7447 uses negative logic to drive this FND 4507 display. This is the display over here. I start the working. I switch on it. Now you can see a 0 is displayed here. These are the 4 binary inputs. This input is at MSB and this is at LSB. Right now all these switches are in upper position, so they provide the input of binary 0. So right now the input is DCBA equal to 0 0 0 0. So you are getting a 0 over here. These are the outputs of this IC: A, B, C, D, E, F and G. All these outputs are connected to the respective segments of the 7-segment display. You can see here it is A, B, C, D, E, F and the middle one is G. These are the 7 segments used in the FND 507 display. This IC uses negative logic so that the truth table clearly shows that when you are getting a 0 here, then A, B, C, D, E, F, these outputs of the IC are 0 and G is absent. Right now you can see G is absent here, so that G is indicated with a 1. Now we apply another input according to this table. We apply the next input now. It is 0 0 0 1. So I apply 0 0 0 and 1. So you can see it converts into a 1. So the IC is decoding the binary input 0 0 0 1 into equivalent decimal output 0 0 0 1 is converted into decimal 1. Now I apply 0 0 1 0. So you get a 2. For 0 0 1 1 you get a 3. Then 0 1 0 0 it is 4. 0 1 0 1 is 5. 0 1 0 0 is 4 and 0 1 0 1 is 5. 0 1 1 0 is 6. Then 0 1 1 1 will be 7. Then 1 0 0 0 will be 8. I have connected one red LED for the MSB value. And lastly 1 0 0 1 will give you a 9. You can see here that we are getting 9 and then 6 like this without a tail here. If you are getting 6 and 9 like this, then it indicates that the IC is American made IC. If you get a tail over here for 6 and then 9, it is said that the IC is European made IC. But you can equally use 74247 to obtain the tails here for 9 and 6 as well. So with this you can study this circuit. The library of all these experiments for 12th electronics is available at Vidyasagar Academy. Visit our website and get this facility. Use this facility to enrich your practical skills in electronics. Thank you.